Beautiful music and beautiful sounds are coming through on the Voice Lounge and on your pit stop to an amazing weekend. It is After Dark. And you know what we do after dark? It is a pedal to the metal. That can only mean one thing. It's Beke Panse. Where were you back in the year 2013 when this song kept us dancing? When this song, even our mothers were interpreting it the wrong way, you know, because I won't lie. Ifani is in the building. I won't lie, Bri. Umakhulu wamu, when there was a medication, you know. Before she took it, hey, shake, you know. And I didn't get it. Why? You know, I thought, to shake before you,
yes,
you know.
yes.
So this is the song that got them dancing. And ladies and gentlemen, let us not waste any more time. The main man is in the building. He goes by the name Ifani Haimani. Otherwise, how are you, my brother?
And fresh buffet and fun and studio sense fresh.
You know.
And it tops up. Wow.
And I always say, but big mela kudala uzila pe studio.
Perfect timing.
Definitely.
Perfect timing.
Burumkhulu, welcome to the show. Welcome
you.
to the Voice
Thank
Lounge. And I got excited when I got to hear Banza Ngola Nawe.
Sure.
Because I'm one person that has been listening to
Oh,
you.
yeah?
I'm one person that's been listening to you.
Okay.
And then number two, there's a time where I need to take you. Before we have this conversation, I need to take you back. And ndifuna nengqondo yakho sibuyise. There's a line that I really wish you can finish. Okay. You know, okanye, if you remember this verse,
sure,
you continue with it.
Sure.
Molweni, Puri,
Parore.
Molo Blackberry,
Halle Berry.
Hello Kissy, Musi, Mary, right? It goes like that.
Yes. Man.
What was going through your mind?
Chocolate and vanilla.
Bro, you were hungry. You were in that studio with all Black Sugar. You were there with all these guys. What was happening around that time?
Sasityubutshabethu bre ubona sasi-enjoya into sasiyenza sasi-create a studio namachita like you were saying, or Black Sugar, or Player Keys. Player Keys producer yalowe.
Okay.
Senza chocolate and vanilla. At the time kwaqala lento Yellow Bones.
Okay.
Oh, Yellow Bone. Sithi man, why nizokhetha Yellow Bone? What about the chocolate?
What about the chocolate? Yeah. That melanin.
Yes, exactly. So yaqala up you let debate about chocolate or vanilla. And then we're like, no, chocolate and vanilla. Not all.
Not
all.
Because
izanabo boyithu yabo nabo para nabo pari but dibanise parore Ferrero Rocher yebo as a chocolate.
It makes perfect sense. Kyanendala, let's take it back. You know, a lot of people know I find it from the music.
Yes.
Abanye bantu just got now clued up. There's been someone who was a trailblazer and still a trailblazer in Ifani. Let's take it back. Ukhule njani mkhuluwa? How was the upbringing and yintoni yakwenza wa gravitator towards music?
Upbringing yami ibiye yesikolo. Ndikhule esikolweni, very academic and benzenza grade by esikolweni kubona. So umuntu benipavela bayoli out is going somewhere. So nyani ke I went somewhere just like they said. Daye UCT ndageleza phana ndagraduate kabini. I went to Atlanta Emory University to go represent South Africa phana doing research with computer science. So academic yam was nice. I was one of the front runners ku academia. But londo yaphela ke because umculo was knocking the entire time. But efondini.
Yeah.
And then after ndigqibile academics ndayongena kwi workspace. Xa ungena workspace ke as umuntu okhule kuthiwa uyi-genius ufika pha unenhloko engaka.
Okay.
Because was Einstein wena.
Because I know this.
Yes. So ufika unenhloko engaka. So amabhulu andiseta andibuyisela back down to earth. And then I was like, I don't think ndifuna uba lapha anymore.
Okay.
So ndawashiya amabhulu nabelungu ndayongeza umculo ke yonke.
Makes sense. Kyanendala, you have one of the most transparent careers that we can possibly say. You know, for someone, I always say, for someone who's starting out, I'll always say, look at the career kamkhulu, because that's one person that started out Simbukele, got to the pinnacle, and then wawa, but still wapina wakwazu pakama and brought himself back. Buti, things are happening.
Yes,
we are shaking, and you are shaking not only the Nelson Mandela Bay, but you are shaking the rest of South Africa. How does that feeling, like, ikwenza uzive njani wena knowing ubana, you know, now, Braz, we are not doing this music for us.
Yes.
This is not for our people, but it's for the rest of the world. How does that feel? And also, yayisini plan yakho when you are recording these songs and putting out these EPs and albums?
Mna ndiqale as a sound engineer, ndiqale as umuntu who wants to push his sound. Yeah, and at the Yiva, sasibiza local rap at the time. And xa ndiyimamela ngela xesha, I was like, ish, ezingoma zethu ziyavakala ne, ndayithanda i-message, ndayithanda i-Venek, but i-sound yakhona ayifani neyo Chris Brown, ayifani neyo Jay-Z, ayifani neyo Kanye West. So how do we bridge that gap between i-sound yethu nalena international? But before I could solve Londo, abanye abantu bayisolve because Double HP would drop i-album in Swembu, emixwe in Swembu. Pro Kid wa drop album naye entswembu yo crisp nyani wozobabona sani yo I was like yo sifikile bafethu ifikile sound. So when that was happening, I was like, okay, it's fine, I can transition into rapper yo, because it sounds like a sound ifikile. So when I transitioned into rap again, ngena nale mentality, but how can I push Lendo to the next level? I think like don't dephume na esikolweni because I always want to push something.
There's always like a trailblazing.
Yeah. I had to. So ndaqona okay mandiyenze ngesixhosa ndipushe ke ngoku Lendo yethu.
Vakala mkhulu wamo. We fast forward that you're there now, you're winning your summers, you're there, and all of the things are happening. Zonke izinto ziyenzeka, and you just went AWOL on us. For some time, and we're wondering, I want isixhosa sethu kwenzeka ntoni. Is there anyone that's going to represent us with Xhosa? Fast forward, I was in Gqeberha, so I was working for Mpuma Kapa TV at that time.
Sure.
And we bump each other endleleni woma.
And
it's just a hello unjani situation, unjani Krotman, and then siyabulisana. Fast forward, I hear you are coming back. Uti, you know what? I'm dusting myself up and ndiyavuka. I just want usifake nje mkhulwa ezihlangwini zakho. How was that moment for you? That moment uqonda ibana, okay, now it's down and out. And uwathathe la mandla of saying, you know what? Dingo ayifani, I'm him, and I can dust myself up diphinde ndiphakame.
But as an engineer, or rather as an academic from Eskela, bayakufundisa bana you need to go do research. Awukwazi uvele uhlale phansi uyicinge le nto, you have to go and hit the ground running. So into yam yokuwa, it didn't feel bad all hlobo, because ndithathe ezindlela yobana ndiyo researcher phana, you know, I use myself as a subject but ndizosebenzisa mna for ufunda zonke situations ndikuzo. So it wasn't bad at all from my point of view, because bendiyofunda pha ngoku ndisekasi ndi-down and out, ngobe ndihamba pha iwoma ngeenyawo, bendizifunda zonke zawephi because zange ndazenza before. Zange ndangumntu ohamba ngeenyawo, zange ndangumntu onethelwa zimvula, because as umuntu oclever izinto ziyazizela kuyo,
yonke into
easy. And then after ubuclever ndafamous from umculo again, ndayisuperstar ethile, zonke izinto zazizela, yabo. So yonke laa nto kum was a new experience. Ukuhlala ekasi, ukukhwela iteksi, yonke lawo uhike, it was a new experience. So ndiye ndayamkela ngezandla ezivulekileyo. So after ndigqibile kulo research, now I'm back ngokuthi umculo, because this is what I do. It's second nature kumle way. Uyabo into endandiyenza ndisemncinci. So ngoku ndizophathela aba bantu le nto ndiyifundileyo kula environment bendikuyo. So le mixtape is about Londo, it's about what I've learned kweli xesha bendingekho.
Bhuti bendizawutsho ndithi masingene kuyo le mixtape, and uthi usiphathele i-mixtape, but we're waiting for the album.
Don't worry bhuti, kaloku lindwe hlobo.
So ikhona
xa sixhela inkomo siqale siniphulusa uqala, yabo, nitye ndibambise ngalo mzuzu ipheka inkomo pha.
Sisapheka isabila.
Yebo, i-mixtape ke lena yile izobambisa ngalo mzuzu nilindele i-album.
let's talk about the mixtape. Who do you have on the features? And also, what's that one message of Unayotina as the people that consume your music to take away from the mixtape?
I think le mixtape izazithethela ngokwayo. I think after umuntu imamele uzatsho naye bana I think le nto ithetha le nto. I think le nto iminisha olu hlobo. So I need noba ndiyi-explain because iyazi explain yona ngokwayo. Uyayibona. Abantu endisipane nabo bayi-4 qha kule album.
Okay.
Kule mixtape I mean. 2 ikungoma eyi-1 enye i-2 1-1. So le 2 yokuqala ngusisana noSneeman.
Okay.
Ingoma ethi kwakhe kwanje phina. Le ngoma every time didlala kwezi sessions abantu bakhala ngayo. So I'm thinking maybe izaba yi-single yokuqala.
The lead single,
yabo because abantu bayayifuna nyani lena. And then lena yesibini nguNdivuselele.
Okay.
It was the first song bendiyenza eJozi ngoba ndifika after ndihambe eBhayi. Yabo ingoma yokuqala bana hey Nkosi yami kudala ndiphansi ndicela undivuselele ndiphinde ndibe ngilaa mntu ndandinguye ndiphinde ndibuyele esitulweni sami sobukhosi. Yabo ngondivuselele lowo featuring uVuyo Manyike. And then yokugqibela ke ngoku hayi ke niyandazi ke ngegwitsho oko ndalithanda igwitsho hayi kaloku
ayinoba without igwitsho
so ibe ngayifani without igwitsho yebo
noma umthema kakhala
ayo inyembezi bhoti
you know
so if kweli gwitsho ke ndisipane nale out ke ngoku ndiyithanda kakhulu uVisholo.
Okay,
yeah, so ayifani noVisholo benza igwitsho.
Iyadibana. So the mixtape, where can a lot of people expect it? And bangayifumana phi when they really want to feel the music and support you?
Cela nisupport ngoyi-streamer from 31st July. So 31st July iyadropa. Right now there's listening sessions across the country because ndifuna abantu babe ready for like 31st July. Xa iphuma phana ndicela wonke umuntu ayistreame bafethu.
Definitely.
Yeah. Igama layo ngumsebenzi wami. If ungumXhosa uzowazi umsebenzi. Senza imisebenzi qho. At the same time now usemsebenzini right now. Yebo so i-double entendre ethile.
At the same time, man, I cannot wait because we've been waiting for umsebenzi wakho.
Oh yes.
We've been waiting for umsebenzi wakho. And Grootman, let's speak about now you are back, you are pushing. And one thing I always say, I love when someone I love listening to has a machine behind them, you know,
yes,
Nancy Asanda Empires.
Yeah, speta yona so umkhosi but.
And how has been working with Asanda Empires been for wena, you know, because I know zininzi izinto efuneka zenzekile when you're about to release music or whenever we hear that someone is signed, so we expect a lot. So how has working with them been?
It's been great for mna. I mean, it's like most companies ungena phana uzozibalekela yebo naxa usayiniwe mosi yi-Pirates iyazama ucoach uchazela uba yenza ntoni but if wena you don't show up then akhona izokwenzeka.
Same as me, if I don't show up.
If you don't show up, you know, and show out, then akhona izokwenzeka for wena. So mna I'm there eSunday Empires, I'm showing up, I'm showing out, and bona they are there to support mna. So ukufika kwami apha ngabo, ukuba nje kwami ngabo, indlela endizihambayo zivulwa ngabo, so ndilisotsha emfazweni.
Definitely, and we can't wait to hear and see ekuninzi endisenizakusebenza kuwe mkhuluwa. And Grootman, impact yakho ke goes different ways.
Yes,
and we can never avoid abanye abantu you touch them in the best ways.
Yes,
because we've just had an artist Ozo, okanye is it Ozzy? Yeah, I think it's Ozzy. I think benisandomnika Asanda Empires 20K.
Yes. Yes.
To invest. We recently just had her on the show, and also there was another guy that came to the show. Flash Kumgane.
Yes.
And I know there is a bit of bad blood. I just want to find out from Wena Grootman what happened. You know, because we know there's a song involved. How did the fallout come about? Because I'm pretty sure when you were chilling, you know what? It's Xhosa. I'm happy because we have your Put Legends, we have your Bravos, we have your Flash. So imisebenzi endiyenzileyo,
we have your
Younger Chiefs, you know, we have so many, Dizzy One, you know, the people that are making sure. Leaks as well.
Landi.
Oh, baninzi. The list goes on. You know, Sticks Brown.
Yes.
Sticks Brown
as well. Sis Mizuzu, then make Mizuzu, Hush Mizuzu, Balo. I was kiss Sticks Makasai.
Sticks Makasane,
Yes,
yes.
no Sticks Makasai.
Oh man, so there
It
are a
needs
lot
talent.
of
It
them.
needs
So
talent.
at some point, I know you can feel a certain way whenever
Yes.
someone you hope
Yes.
ubana would take this to elevations.
Yes,
Angenzi
yes.
ngohlobo mhlawumbi you would hope for. What happened in that situation?
Leyo bhuti ngicela uyiskipha quick fast.
Quick fast
Yes,
nje.
yes.
Yeah.
Sifocus ko Lendi, o Sticks Makasana,
Yeah.
o Gafi, yabo o April Young.
The people that are
Aba
doing-
bantu benza izinto Efa eKapa, yabo
Yeah.
abantu basebenzayo. Rest in peace Briley, naye usebenzile umuntu
Oh,
asekhaya. Yes,
Definitely.
yes, for
And
sure.
Rodman, for those people that are actually working and
Yes.
ababantu that are nabo making sure that they're pushing, they're hitting the ceiling, bayapusha more than the ceiling. Ngawapha amazwi onowaphosela kubo for encouragement so that they can continue and keep pushing.
Okay, amazwi enowathetha kubo is bafethu, there's a difference between imali and umculo.
Okay.
If ufuna ukwenza imali, I urge you right now, fumana ispan somewhere. But if ufuna usebenzisa umculo as into yokwenza imali, uza frustrated kakhulu. Le nto ithatha ixesha, le nto ithatha amandla, le nto ithatha ukubekezela, le nto ithatha a whole lot of wena as umntu. And if wena into ufuna uyenza kudibanisa imali, wenze ifamily, suka emculweni.
Suhlale emculweni.
Suhlale emculweni. Leyo ayiyo la ndawo. If ungena apha for imali, uzawuba nzima bhuti.
You heard it from the main man. He goes by the name Ifani, is in the building, and he'll be out at Slow Lounge tonight. So please make sure you go out if you're around East London. But Mkolo, a lot of people have been saying, hey, will Ifani ever make a song like Ingoma Zimnandi?
Yes.
Again, iyeza na ingoma
Yeah.
enjeyana. You know, they would
Hayi
just...
batsho bhuti. Ifana nobuza ku-Luther Vandross ba uyazi uphinde umenze u-Dance with My Father again.
Yeah.
I mean utata ufaka yi-1 kaloku bafethu.
Yeah.
Akazuphinde avuka aphinde afe uphinde uthi dance with my father again.
Again
No,
and
and again. Ayini. So uMamthembu akazuvuka aphinde asweleke again. But however, ukhona ayadelela.
Okay.
Uyabo?
Yes.
Ukhona uFebruary.
Okay.
Uyaybo?
Okay.
So aniselanga nodwa. Bakhona omili, bakhona shake.
Okay.
Bakhona ewe. And ngoni niphethela mixtape enezinto ezimnandi. Ezimnandi but trust me kule mixtape nizawuva kamnandi.
My brother, I just want you to remind us at home, Ubana, when is the mixtape coming out? And also as listening session, maybe umntu semthatha, and they're hoping tomorrow they go out and listen and have a nice time. Uzabuphi mthatha.
Okay, so from the 24, which is today, until the 31st, saben senses listening sessions.
Okay.
So namhlanje silapha kuGombo, silapha Slow Lounge. So if umntu around nawe pre umenyiwe.
I'm definitely coming.
Yeah, so please pull up 9 p.m. siyaqala silapha and then ngomso siya eMthatha eNkandla Lifestyle so kwenza le listening session siyabuya ke ngoku Sunday sibe seQonce kwamakhosi onke sibe sezwelitsha sibe sekoneni and then ngo Monday siseGhini
Okay.
eMakhanda
Okay.
siyenza phana Tuesday siseGqeberha
Okay.
ekhaya siyagoduka eMotherwell siphana says listening session and then the following day siseKapa ke ngoku
Say Cape Town.
yeah and then you see launch ke ngokulento xa iphuma ngalamini iphuma ngayi 31st emhlobo wenene for South Africa yonke ke ngokubana bayazi abantu ayifani ufikile udropile today.
Man, I'm excited, Mkhuluwa. I cannot wait, and I wish you nothing but the best.
Thank
more
you, Bray.
especially for this mixtape and throughout the rest of your career.
Oh,
Because
danko,
I feel like you need Lamandla because hey, you need to sun these kids.
We man bafuna uteketiswa nyani man yo.
Definitely, ladies and gentlemen, it goes by the name Ifani. And a quick one before we let you go. Will we ever see you presenting behind the screen or behind the camera
TV work
ever again?
I don't think so, Bray, to be honest. I don't think so. Hey, kaloku bring senabantwana ngoku. Uyabona and kukaba not just abama abantwana, but abantwana kwi-industry kusafuneka ndibencedile nabo abazama ukwenza ezi careers. I feel like I'll be more useful unceda the next generation than uyozishinisa again at TV.
TV
Yebo. So let me help abantwana bethu and then I'll be fine.
Okay, my brother, thank you so much for coming through. We cannot wait for umsebenzi wakho.
Sebenzi wami mixtape ayifani Mr. Haimani.
And it's coming out on the 31st of July, so please make sure you go out uzokwazi ustreama nawe. But if you are closer to the venues as a business listening sessions, do make sure you go out there, because I had FOMO. I was saying, where's the first song being performed? I was like, yeah, what's name man? I can't wait to go. Can it be the last song you perform?
No, izahamba ngala hlobo ihamba ngayo mixtape. Izahamba la hlobo ihamba ngayo.
I hope I don't miss it. I hope I don't miss it. But he goes by the name Ifani, and please make sure you go out. Please make sure you support. He is one of our own, and we definitely need to show out and, in fact, show up and show out for him, because he is Eastern Cape. Let us take one quick song. It is Mr. Ifani, and this one is Ewe. So if lamtu elimali hama namhlanje khawuthi ewe.
The Voice Lounge, where voices come to life.